Watch AI create a coffee sales performance dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our coffee sales data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI analyzes our data, identifying key metrics and relationships. It's automatically generating 6 interactive charts showing sales distribution by payment method, regional performance, monthly trends, top coffee types, and store comparisons, plus 2 summary tables for deeper insights. And just like that, our coffee sales performance dashboard is complete with all visualizations perfectly arranged. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's see it in presentation mode. This full-screen view is perfect for meetings and presentations. Notice how clean and professional everything looks. Each chart tells a clear story about our coffee sales performance. You can click through different visualizations seamlessly. We'll exit presentation mode and explore the interactive features. Every chart is fully interactive, letting you drill down into specific data points and time periods. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.